install the main structure of the machines. According site layout, move machine to suitable place. On wheeling unit, put the feeding rack into the hook. Connect the joint bearing seat of the cylinder and tighten the screws. Connect the magnet powder on the unwheeling rack and the hole switch according to the line number mark. Connect 2 of 6 large Cutlery tooth teeth. Tighten the 8 screws on the 4 rings on the shaft near the hook. Wheeling unit. Remove 2 and 8 screws on the holster machines. Move the collecting rack to the holster machine. Line with the screw hole position and lock the screws. Connect the yellow correction cable to the correction motor on the feeding correction frame. Connect the black line to the motor on the feeding machine. And connect the slot eyes air plug on the feeding machine. Drying unit. 4 doors panel for drying oven top is randomly placed in the bottom of the oven in 4 corresponding positions, 1 to the 1 corresponding installed. Put the motor of oven top drying fan on the place to the oven top used for drying fan motor. According to the Vinci installation, connect the drying blower cap to the fan power cord. Note: don't install electric box cover. Need to power up to effect check fan steering. Need to be consistent with the arrow steering. According to power requirement of the equipment, it should be equipped with 5 core cables, each core of 16 square millimeter of copper core cables, connected to the largest green terminal in the lower left corner of the main electric box of the machine. The machine is equipped with 8 large gas source interface. The short one is in the total gas source. The gas source pressure is 0.6 to 0.8 atmospheric pressure, and the longer one is connected to the rear feed rack. Pre-press preparation of the machine power on test. The machine is equipped with the face screens and the face absence protector. If the machine is powered on, the sound alarm of the electric cabinet does not ring for a long time, and the work light on the protector is on. We'll need to print the material in the middle of the prismatic shaft position. Fix the material on the feeding machine. Note: the material needs to be printed the side up, according to the drawing of the material from the front of the machine to the end of the machine feeding position. According to the closed position, place the roll and roll the slot correction electric eyes. Put the manual state on the controller into automatic state. Print unit. Each equipment power start. Press reset button on the touchscreen first. Click on the manual picture of the touchscreen. Click network version point in. To put the network version point to the right position, place the plate in place and lock. Net frame is fixed. press to lock and print a plate. Install and printing knife and return mill knife suitable for printing plate pattern. Turn on the heating switch. Set the oven temperature. Press the web plate entry in the menu screen to the position of the printing knife, referring to the red number of the upper end. Set up the starting position of the network version. Continue pressing the click in button to the printing knife to walk through the pattern, referring again to the red numbers charted above. Set the network version stop position. Note, the value of the starting position of the network version must be less than the date of the stop position of the network version. According to the size of the network version pattern, set the data inside the touchscreen. Pattern length inside. Test printing. Add the ink. Press the start button. Observe the printing effect. Mention whether the size and the position of the pattern after printing is correct. If not, you need to adjust the position of the web plate and modify the size of the pattern length until we need the effect position we can produce normally. Two-color installation and test. Place the second color equipment from the video data according to the production site. Insert a variation plug. Open single online selector switch. Connect the material of the first color out oven to the feeding portion of the second color. Press the touch screen of the 2 units online. Adjust the checking electric eyes of the second color. When applied to the first color of ink, the indicator on the checking color needs to be on. The indicator light on the checking color mark needs to go off when shining on the material. Open the second color touch screen and press the blank into print. For test printing, can move the network version and check the location of the electric eye. To change the over position for our second color, if correct, can be mass produced.